We are practicing for kindergarten, so I ordered these 2 different lunch boxes to see which one I like the best. I thought this one might be hard to open and close for my 5-year-old, but he actually was able to take it off and put it back on perfectly. I'm showing you here how I can do it with one hand. My 3-year-old, on the other hand, could not open it, so it's not good for 3-year-olds. This is the bento box, and this blue insert is removable and dishwasher safe. However, the lunchbox itself is not dishwasher safe, so make sure that you don't put the exterior part in the dishwasher because it won't suction. It's very good quality and smaller than expected.
What do you have in there? Whoa. Look, you have apples, so you can dip your peanut butter.
No.
Not like that?
Dip it with your
You have to
fingers.
pull it open like that on all sides. Can you do it? Now do this side. Yeah, this is funny.
Oh, big George. Wow. A fork.
A fork.